Hey everyone, hey, it's Alex with Trinity Roofing and Construction. Ventilation in an attic is very, very important, and it starts with what's happening on top of the roof. Let me show you what I'm finding on this new construction home to let you know that even the new homes do have some issues, and I want you to be aware of it just in case you might have this happening on your roof or a potential house that you're looking at purchasing. These are going to be box vents, dome vents, not box vents, dome vents, turtle vents. They can be called a different variety of things, but basically they're a larger hole that's cut in the attic decking that allow for the attic space to breathe. The whole point of the attic, the ventilation, is to exhaust the heat that's contained inside of it. It all starts with breathing down here at the soffit vents, and it breathes all the way up, pushes continuously all the way up, and then this is where they're going to exhaust. Now, a couple issues I have with these are going to be the fact that, one, these are not high enough to the ridge. That leaves quite a bit of space between where they start and stop. As the wind is pushing itself up from the soffit vent into these, there still is a space up here that is missing. We want to see them closer to the ridge up here so they can get more maximum heat out of it. Now, on new construction, they typically end up putting on a plastic one of these versions. We always go back with the metal for the facts that I'm about to show you guys. But what I'm seeing is the fact that, one, when they nail these in, there's only specific spots. So right here, and over there, holes that are designed for where the nail fasteners are supposed to go. They put in multiple ones, which makes it seem like they had issues from the very beginning, or this was their solution. Now, being a plastic one, it does flex a ton when it comes to the heat and the cold that we have to deal with. As the temperatures change, it is naturally creating so much flex on these. Now, if you can see, these are not all flat anymore. So they're warping where the nails are not. And you can see the lifting that's going on here. Now, this is not necessarily the concern in the fact that it's only thing that I have about this concern is it's going to be pulling these nails out eventually, especially since these are rusting. Rusted nails are no bueno because they are going to rust down the shaft and then mess with the decking or the shingles that it's holding on to. What I'm having concerns with is when they flex on the side. When they flex on the side, that gives a directional rain that comes from the top and works its way down into these. And we see a lot of times where the rain will make it down behind this nail. And that's when you'll start to see leaks. Now, little by little, if this does get a leak, this is going to back out faster. And then that's when you're going to start to see pull up nails happening. Now, this right here is a big flex that I don't like, but the main concern is to show you what can happen is it's going to be lifting up the shingles over here. So when this flex is hard, this pulls up these shingles, and then now the possibility of openness allows for fasteners here, and then more directional rain to make it down inside of any one of these nails, which will damage the decking, and then you'll start to have more issues down the road. So remember, new construction doesn't always mean the best. It just means that it's newer. There still are a lot of issues that we find on roofs. So if you need someone to take a look at your new construction, old house, new house, whatever it is, you make sure you reach out to me at 214-455-3796 or Trinity Roofing and Construction. Look forward to hearing from you guys.